torch! Check out that big sun! Today's the perfect beach day. I'm gonna show you my secret swimming technique. Aw, come on. Well, I guess we'll have to go swimming later. Duty calls. Hey, Bob. How's the construction site going today?
Hi, Johnny. Well, actually, Bulldozer's really tired. We need your help if we want to finish our work today.
Bulldozer is always working too hard. Don't worry, Bob. Coming right away. Go, go, go! All right. Maybe I should change first.
Hi, guys. Thank you for coming.
Hi, Bill. What's wrong, buddy?
Well, we've been working all morning, and with this heat, this big guy is already out of energy.
Don't worry, champ. You just need a little boost. Make some space, everyone! This AnimaCar ain't a small one.
Hello, Wheelifant.
We need you to recharge Bulldozer's energy. Can you help us? Wheelifant has solar panel ears. They gather energy from the sunlight and turn it into electricity. Isn't that cool? Thanks to this electricity, we'll be able to get Bill back on his wheels very soon.
Okay, Bill. Let's charge you up one more time and we'll be able to finish.
What's wrong, Wheel? Oh no! Clouds have covered up the sun! Wheelifant's ears can't work!
If only there was a way to bring the sun out.
I know something we can try. I'm gonna need your help again, my friend. Can you put on your shovel, please? All right. You know what I'm thinking about, right? 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo!
Hey, Johnny, can you hear me? What's your plan, buddy?
Come out, son. Come out. Come out, son. Come out. Aw, I really thought my sun dance would work.
Johnny, maybe we should try something else. How about a real plan?
Right. Let's call an anima friend. Thank you for coming. See these clouds? We need to chase them away so the sun can shine again. Up and away!
Woohoo!
Flying is so cool. Okay, here's my plan. Get closer to the clouds and blow them away with your propellers. Yeah, we did it!
Thank you, Johnny. We couldn't have done it without you. Right, guys?
What's wrong, Torch? Oh, right. Sorry, guys. We've got to go. Come join us when you're done. The sun is back, and so are we. Yeah! Good boy, Torch. Phew, what a warm day. Whoop. Sorry, Doggo. Looks like duty's calling. Oh, hey, Leah. How have you been?
Hi, Johnny. Not so good, actually. I need your help at the farm. Do you mind passing by?
Sure, don't worry. We're on our way.
Thank you for coming, guys. As you know, vegetables need lots of water to grow. And as I was watering my lovely carrots, the water ran out.
No water? I guess something's wrong with your water tank, Leah.
Do you think something could be stuck inside?
Well, let's check it out. Do you have a ladder I could use to climb up there?
Didn't I lend it to you last week?
Oh, yes. Of course. Sorry, Leah.
It's okay, Johnny.
I have another idea.
Be careful, Johnny.
Don't worry, guys. I've got... Whoa! Whoa!
Are you okay, Johnny?
Yeah, looks like we're going to need some help for this one.
Woohoo! Are you gonna call one of your four-wheeled friends?
Yeah, this is a mission for the tallest of all AnimaCars.
There. Do you mind helping us reach the top of the tank?
Up and away! Ha! Leah, your tank is empty.
Oh no. If I wait for rainwater to come, my carrots could die. How could we fill it up, Johnny?
Don't worry, Leah. I know exactly who to call. my special turtle friend, Tructle.
Tructle?
All right, Tructle, aim for the hole. Let's fill up that tank. It's okay, Tructle. Let's try again. Maybe use our propellers this time.
Whoa!
Yeah, awesome!
Yes, thank you, everyone. My carrots are going to be so happy.
You're welcome, Leah. We're always glad to help. Here you go, guys. Another win for the AnimaCars.